Under no circumstances should you pour oil down the sink. Let me show you why this disposal method is so bad and what you should actually do with used oil. The problem is that used grease soon starts to solidify and change its consistency. Once it settles in the pipes, it can form a clog that, with regular additions of more oil, will eventually block the entire drain. It's also worth noting that oil contains food particles, which can make the problem even worse. In such cases, regular store-bought drain cleaners might not be enough, and you may need professional help. So, what should you do instead? First, take a piece of aluminum foil and tear off a small section. Place it in the sink, shaping it around the drain to create a protective barrier. Now you can safely pour the leftover oil onto the foil, where it will be contained. Once you're done, carefully wrap the foil with the oil inside and throw it in the trash. This simple trick prevents pipe damage and helps keep your kitchen clean and safe. So if you've been in the habit of pouring used cooking oil down the drain, change that now before it leads to a household disaster.